Hey guys, Keith from rcMart here with Atsushi Hara from HB Racing, and today we have the brand new touring car which they've been testing for a while, and you may have seen it on Facebook, but now we have it in the flesh. So, Mr. Hara, can you take us through?
Yes. Okay, so the body show out first. So this is the our HB Racing. Still we don't have name yet.
Okay.
But as you know, I think people still remember the first touring car from our brand is like say Pro series. So Pro 2, Pro 3, Pro 4, and Pro 5. Yeah. And then before Pro 5, we have HB brand, say TCX, TCXX. Yeah. So now I call this Pro XX. It's kind of mixed together. Yeah. So XX mean like maybe should something that come the number in XX.
Oh, okay.
So X mean unknown.
Oh, okay.
So, but sounds like Pro double X. I think sounds also nice.
Quite cool.
So maybe we stay with the Pro double X. But anyway, so this is the our HB Racing, the prototype of the touring cars. Of course, it's now we have to do our testing with the mid shaft, meaning like the center shaft in the exactly middle position for the chassis, which is most popular now. The belt length is exactly the same from the near. But actually, I make test many different positions of the motor. So I just doubt about really sure the position is best, or maybe a little bit more front, or maybe a little bit more back. Maybe better. So I never trust until I testing. So I test many different type. And also one of the things I test with the motor is more back. Which is same like we call standard layout. The shorter belt in the rear and the long belt front. But the motor go front. It makes you have to change the speed or position front of motor to the back to the motors. And just put the speed on the back is not so difficult, but it's the problem with wiring.
Oh yes.
Especially for the receiver wire, because receiver is still front, and then you have to over the motor to wire go to the receiver, and then it's also you have to change whole things about the wire, batteries, and the motors. So if I can stay with the same layout, the servo, receiver, speedo here, and then motor more back, and just a shaft to go more front. Doesn't make same length front and rear the belt, but it's kind of make close to mid shaft style. So also I tested the other standard layout with the shaft more front style, but it's basically on the track was not so much difference.
Oh.
It's compared to standard type. But the mid motor type, it's like I can feel much difference. It's like basically more steering, and then the balance front and rear was like more kind of equal. So easy drive, but check lap time is faster.
Okay.
So I think it's the motor positions and the center shaft position. I think I should stay with this, but I have to play more the motor, how much will go inside the center of the chassis, or the chassis, the cut designs. Temporarily I try to the cut around the motor mount.
More flex.
It's making more flex. But this I think cut designs and then also position of the cut I think it should be different. So now I also test different positions also. This is center, but it may be more back and maybe more front, or maybe cut more front only, or only maybe more short on the center only. Things. So it's small detail I have to testing now. And the disc car project is like my first project from HB Racing. And then I am not designer guy. I am testing driver. I drive a car. I can feel what is the difference, but I cannot drawing design myself. So I have the guy he helped to me for the development this car, which is now the popular the brand the Zero Drive. The Mr. Kagayama. He's one of my friends, and then he knows about the mid-model thing because he already made the conversion kit for the other brand, Xtra Yokomo. So he knows more than me about the center shaft car. So he helped for the design of this car for mid shaft.
So you work with him, so you test and you give him feedback and he change designs for you?
Yes, so start with, so this is our first car. This is actually number 2 of the car. The first one is like a little bit more simple designs, but this one make new chassis and motor mount still we use the same from the Zero Drive, the motor mount.
Okay.
So we have its color is black, so not easy to see, but this is the 2-piece the motor mount. You can see the 4 screws here, and then it's connect two of the pieces connected together with this center close the plate in here. It's the flex is really nice, but the 2-piece motor mount is like it's kind of the batteries go more fast from center line. So I like to try more the battery go inside to make for high grip or maybe high speed track. I think it's makes something better with more the heavyweight things more go center.
So what you say is like for low grip you can have your battery more outwards?
Yes, if we want to go out the batteries, it's easy to change. You just put it outside. But if go inside more, you need something change for design the motor mount because it touched a bit here.
Yeah.
So for the next version, I think I'm gonna make maybe 1-piece or maybe different design of 2-piece. Now I talked with Mr. Kagayama. This is okay because Zero Drive already proved this motor mount to make a good result in any other race.
Yeah.
But I want to try something more different. So we're now working on with some ideas. So the other parts, the suspension arms, all of the suspension arms and drivetrain now, I currently still use the Pro 5, all of the components. But something I need to change more modification to make more better, because now compared to a long time ago when we have a Pro 5, now it's like more high speed, more high grip, and then sky is more getting lighter, and then the body show have more downforce, the battery have more power, basically just more fast now. So we need to update for all of the suspension.
So just small changes to deal with faster cars.
Yeah, it's like we like to stay same design because the design was good, but just some spot was maybe not enough materials, or the stiffness wise we need more improve. So the suspension arms, I like to try something crazy ideas. But the first model from the HP Touring Car, I think we should stay with like a conservative design. So so I just now with just more Pro 5 stuff for now. And we have more plan. It's make more interesting things for the futures, but I couldn't tell everything for now.
For sure.
So I just like to say, stay tuned for any Instagrams, Facebook, HP Racing Asia page, HP website and everything. So we try to post much as possible. Something we need a secret, but it's something we need to show.
Yes.
So I like to do more show if I can. So any of the update before the release on the car. So it just keep development.
Alright, there you have it. So stay tuned to Atsushi Hara's Facebook page or HP Racing's Facebook page for more updates on the new touring car.